So the emotional whirlwind is finally lifting off. Joy wants to call this the Happy Memory Development Program. So go on, make some happy memories. Just enjoy the ride. How hard is it?
Emotional growth. Ready to make some happy memories? Great! First, for your safety, please stay seated. It's time! Hold on tight, everybody! Emotional whirlwind is rising! It's gonna be fun! Let's make some happy memories! Come on, everyone! Time to find the fun!
Yeah. Find the fun.
Woohoo! This sure is a whirlwind of fun!
Enjoy your jolly, fun-filled time.
Thanks, Sanger. Greatest day ever! Woo! We're winding down. Now please stay seated until the emotional whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door. Okay, time to get these memories down the long term. Bye-bye!